Welcome back to my channel. Let's get into the recipe quickly. This recipe is divided into two parts. So first we are going to make citrus curd. We need 250 ml of mandarin and orange juice. I'm using freshly squeezed. You can definitely use the store-bought, but the flavors will be completely different because this is much sweeter and more tastier. These are the same mandarins and oranges we picked in the previous video. We need 250 ml, so there was some excess. I'm removing it. Taste test. Cheers. We need 2 bowls as we're going to separate the egg yolks from egg whites. We need 3 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. Add 220 grams of caster sugar and 250 grams of mandarin and orange juice. Whisk it till sugar is almost dissolved and add 1.5 teaspoon of cornstarch. Whisk it well. Transfer to a heavy bottom pan and turn the heat to medium high and keep on mixing continuously till it starts to simmer, and then lower the heat and keep on mixing it continuously with a whisk and spatula. This is the consistency we are looking for. It should be quite thick like so, but no lumps. In case you do have lumps, just strain it. Turn off the heat and add 100 grams butter cube. I'm adding a few at a time so that the temperature does not drop completely. Break the butter with whisk and vigorously whisk in so that it is completely mixed while it's still hot. Smooth, delicious mandarin curd is ready. Now I'm transferring it to a container, placing a plastic cover on it so that there is no skin formation, and we'll be refrigerating it for 30 to 45 minutes till it's completely chilled. Meanwhile, let's make the base of the tart. So for that, in a bowl we take 150 grams of butter, 110 grams of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon orange and mandarin rind. Beat with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. Add in 3 medium-sized egg yolks. Whisk them well till it's completely incorporated. Add 110 grams of self-raising flour and 100 grams all-purpose flour. Beat until the mixture comes together and there are no flour lumps. Lightly grease a rectangular loose base tart tin measuring 5" to 14". Transfer the mixture in the tart tin and level it like so. Don't forget the sides. In a preheated oven, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes till it's golden like so. Chill it for 30 minutes. Now let's assemble it. Take out the mandarin and orange curd and the base and pour the mandarin curd on it like so. Level the curd and chill it for 30 more minutes. Carefully demold it. Here I have orange and mandarin segments, so I'm going to garnish it with this. I'm using unsweetened whipped cream, but you can obviously use meringue if you wish to. Take 300 ml whipping cream and 1 tablespoon orange and mandarin rind and whip them well. This goes really well with whipped mascarpone too. I've used the tip of basil to garnish it, but you can obviously use mint if you like. Our citrus tart is ready. It's perfect for any occasion. Obviously, mandarins and oranges are in season, so definitely do try it and let me know in the comments below. This is a scrumptious, amazing, delicious recipe and the perfect way to celebrate citrus food of the season. Let's taste it. Elegant, creamy, citrusy, perfect for this season. So let's try this amazing tart. Drop a like and subscribe to this video to support your girl, and see you in the next video. Take care. Love you.